Good afternoon, my dear students. We are going through chapter 2, noun case. Let us have a quick revision of it. Noun case are of three types: nominative case, objective case, and possessive case. The subject, when the noun is used as a subject, it is said to be in nominative case. When the noun is used as an object, it is said to be in objective case. One thing you have to keep it in your mind, that subject generally comes before the verb and object generally comes after the verb. Now today we are going to discuss the third type, that is possessive case. A noun used to show possession is said to be in the possessive case. You can see the example, Rama's umbrella. The umbrella belonging to Rama. Noun Rama is changed to Ramas to show possession. The possessive answers the question whose. You can ask question whose umbrella. Answer is Rama's umbrella. It shows possession. Now formation of possessive case. Possessive case is always used with living things. It cannot be used with non-living things. Then point number A. When noun is singular, we use possessive case. Example, the boy's book. Here boy is singular, we can use apostrophe and s and then book. The boy's book. But when noun is plural and ends with s sound, for example boys, boy is plural and it ends with s, then we use only apostrophe and will we not use another s. So here boys school. But when noun is plural but does not ends with s, for example men's club, here men is the plural of man, so we will use men then apostrophe and s. In this you will use apostrophe and s both. But here boys, it ends with s, we cannot use another s. Point number D. When two nouns are closely connected, then the possessive is put to the later one. For example, Kareem and Salim's bakery. There are two names, Kareem and Salim. We will put apostrophe and s to the second name. With names of non-living things, we cannot use apostrophe. For example, the table's leg. Leg is non-living. You cannot write apostrophe and s. This is wrong. It should be the leg of the table. We use preposition. Last point, with nouns denoting time and space. For example, a day's match. Here day shows time. We have to use apostrophe and s. In this way, we can use it in possessive form.